excited because we are out here this morning. Back at one of my favorite lakes. Hey! We should get hit right here. Oh. Right there. Oh, right there. What's going on, fishing fam? Welcome back to another episode. I am out here today with my girlfriend. We're on a boat rental and we're about to have some peanut butter and jelly. Taking a little midday break, having some lunch. Can't beat peanut butter and jelly when you're out on the water. But yeah guys, it should be a great day. We've already been out here getting on a few. If you guys seen the last video, I'll put that down in the description. Be sure to go check that out. Yeah guys, it's a great day, beautiful day out here. Should be fun guys. We've been killing them on creature bait. We got a rat tied up and we got a swim jig tied up. But yeah, it should be an epic day out here. We're gonna go ahead and have some lunch, drink a few beers, and just do some fishing. If you guys have been enjoying the content, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, cheers.
You ready to take a bite?
About to take a bite. Can't beat it, man. Look at that scenery. Alright guys, so these are the baits we're using. These are green pumpkin blue swirl prawns. Oh, you had one?
Right after it.
Right at the boat?
Yeah.
That's what happened to me earlier.
No way. Damn it.
We're just throwing this on a light Texas rig on my spinning rod. You guys can see it's freaking sick. A little blue swirl in there. Rigging it on a light, super light Texas rig. And we're just flipping it around all these trees. There you go, just like that. Got a free sliding weight. Man. Oh, came off.
My arms are getting burnt
Cover your skin up.
You can see where I've been like this.
There he is. Chatterbait victim. First one on the chatter.
He's lighter.
Chatterbait with the 6 cents flush. Yes sir, right behind where the boat is right now. Damn, he's tugging. Oh, he's a solid one. Solid one on that prawn. Yes, sir. Right under that bush where that crankbait snagged. I gotta get this guy back. Nice one. I literally just turned my camera on.
Okay.
Alright, chatter. Flush. Smoke the chatter with the flush. 6 cents flush is the trailer.
That's the one you picked out of me.
That's the one I picked out. I was gonna put the other one on, but this one just looked like it matched better. Dude, he ate it as soon as I threw it up there. Like, I didn't even reel it yet. He was already on it. I thought for a second I was snagged. Oh, I know what I did. I let it sink. I threw it up there and I let it sink. And then I started to reel it. He already had it. Right next to that rock. You saw that?
When I was in that spot, it reminded me.
Sorry. She just got soaked. Another one.
Okay, I'm just worried about it going in my beard.
Right on that rock. That was sick. Alright, chatterbait, huh? You have socks?
No.
Oh, right there. That was nuts, dude. You guys saw that. Watch out. I'm just boat flipping them quick because of the no barge, you know? Alright, chill, buddy. Chill, 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 bro. Chill out.
How they stink when they do that.
Chill out, buddy. Another one on the chatter with the flush. He ate it right here at my feet, dude. That was nuts. Oh, it's a bullhead. Are you kidding me?
He's a big one.
Are you kidding me?
Wow. He's
On the
so dark.
chatterbait. That's insane. He cracked it too.
I passed the tree and told him to hit it.
I know. That's why I was trying to hurry up and get his ass back. He cracked it, dude. I kept smacking him back there. In the back part.
All but 10 have been caught on 6 cents. There's mine at 3.
Cause I don't want to lose him. Just like that.
Get a massage. 30 minutes.
Nothing on the frog. Oh, I saw a good bass come out of the grass, chase bait. Came right out of the grass, dude, and chased some bait. It was like a 2-pounder. Good thing I got my Waterland sunglasses. See if he eats it. Imagine if I catch him. Oh, there he is. Good thing I got my Waterland sunglasses. And I was recording. What's up? Get you some. I wouldn't have caught that fish if I didn't have my glasses. Not even lying. I am not even lying. This is the same bass I saw come out of the grass, chase bait, threw the crawl in there, let it sink, smoked it. Copy some Waterland sunglasses, 15% off. Use code JB Fishing. You catch more bass. Also use code JB Fishing to get these prawns. On 6centsfishing.com. Save 10%. Alright guys, I'm about to crack the last beer. We've probably got like what, 2 more hours? We just caught one on the prawn Texas rig, little light Texas rig.
So it's been working all day.
Yeah, it's been working pretty much all day, and if it wasn't for my Waterland sunglasses, I would have never caught it. So we're gonna crack this last beer. Enjoy the rest of the day. Cheers.
Cheers, fishing fam.
See if we can't stick a few more. I got the draw tied up. Had a few follows. I haven't got hit on it yet, but I feel like once we get over there by the dock, oh yeah, once it's gonna come out from the dock and smoke it. All right, y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Oh, monster gill.
Caught bigger.
Monster gill.
Caught bigger. My biggest is like a probably 3-pounder.
Nice.
No way.
Well, that's biggest of the day though. That's biggest of the day. Celebrino.
Dang, look how fat that guy is. That's insane.
They're all so fat.
Freaking tank.
Oh, this one's got like parasites.
Look at that tank.
Double.
Give it first.
Look at that.
Look at that parasite.
Let's get him back.
Ew. The shirt is done for.
Now we're fishing.
Doubles.
Oh yeah.
All right, my
In
turn.
the slit. In the slit. Look at that.
The line got stuck.
Sorry for feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did catch a
Caught a bullhead on a chatterbait.
Today?
Yeah.
Dang.
It was
I
a
thought those were only down there. I tried with corn earlier.
it was
It
a
was pretty
tank
good,
bullhead too.
Did you get it on film?
Yep. Doubled up, yes sir.
Especially like with Senko fishing. Oh yeah.
Remember when I said, hey, I see all the fish, and then you came and took my hole? Really?
Oh. Wait, is that me? Oh shit.
Well,
Is it you or the fish?
I have no
look how swollen they
I
are.
think there's a. Do you want a band-aid?
I wonder if these are pre-spawn. I wonder if this is a pre-spawn bluegill.
What?
I wonder if this is a pre-spawn bluegill.
Nice job.
You know, it's probably full of eggs or something.
No, that was blue.
That thing's a tank. Hey guys, we are ending the day here. I'm dead tired. She's dead tired. We had a great day. We ended up with 44 fish in total. Can't complain. It was a long day. We got a gorgeous sunset behind us right here. Driving out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next episode. Peace.